Hey there, gang! Does bad sound drain the energy from your exercise studio? Do your students struggle to hear you? Are you tired of having your microphones break over and over and over again? Then call Gotham Sound and get your sound fired up. Let's go! Pump up the jams and feel the music in your soul. Energize your classes with crystal clear audio. Save time and money with durable, sweat-proof wireless that works as hard as you do. Gotham Sound will take your workouts to the next level. Call us today.
To schedule your free consultation, call us at 212-629-9430. That's 212-629-9430. Call now. Also available on the internet at gothamsound.com. Not available in all locations. Results may vary. Not guaranteed to motivate anyone to do anything.